Are you looking for a good app names generator that is also easy to use? Our AI-powered app and game names generator is the perfect writing assistant you need to complement your creative app naming efforts. Hello everyone, I am Ryan, here to assist you in using WriteMe.ai. Today I am going to share how to use AI app title generator to generate game names and app names with WriteMe.ai in a few easy steps. As you know, first you have to select your desired language, your tone of voice, and your preferred use case. Then, input some relevant information such as keywords or goal of game or app title writing. Finally, simply click Write Me. That's it. Give your app or game a new name using AI. You can keep generating different app title name variants till you are happy with the final result. Give your app or game a whole new identity by selecting a unique app name and establish your unique app identity on app stores. With the new and improved user interface and user experience, it is now much easier and simpler to use WriteMe.ai. I hope that we are providing you with complete details on how to use WriteMe.ai Creator to generate meaningful content for you. If not, please tell us in the comments section. Thanks. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Bye.